Alright, let's see what we got in the big box. Oh, this one's heavier than the last one. That's good. Something heavier. This was caught in the ocean. It says right there, caught in the ocean. Must be a fish box. It's got a ship on it. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Must be some new... somewhere. Oh, it's from Washington. I was thinking northeast, not west coast to north. I was thinking like Maine. Alright, what do we got here? We got a lot of popcorn. All kinds of good stuff in here. Something with plastic on it. Oh, I know. Cam cover. Not cam. Primary cover. Probably for a K model or a Sportster. Oh, this is a Sportster one. This is a nice one. Some of the crappy ass flathead one. A nice part. These are hard to get and expensive. Good luck on getting that back in there. Okay, so it's a 57. Part number's right there, 57. So it's for a 57 Sportster. You can tell it's for a Sportster because see it says Sportster on it. It makes it easy to figure this stuff out. This one's got the original sand cast on it. Lightly polished on the letters like it's supposed to be. It's a nice one, not broken or anything. Not even ground on the ground. Things like new. Mint. Never been broken yet. They break in here all the time here. Clutch to get all eat up in here. Not a mark on this thing. Things like almost brand new. This is nice. Still got the stock drain plug in it there. This is what the battery, the brake switch mounts back here. So it's only held on with 3 screws. 2 little short ones here and 1 big long one here. It's about 5 inches long. Goes through the whole bike all the way over to here. So there you go. That's nice. So these were used on all the Sportsters up until they went to the 10 primary one, which was that was on the CH bikes. So probably 58. They had the CH one, which had the 10 one on it. All your XL and XLHs have the aluminum one like this on it. So they use these all up to 66 like this. So. Through 66. 67 is when they came out electric start. Different one. So, a nice cover. That thing's almost like new. It's definitely the best one I've gotten of these. It's nice. Alright, there you go. Really nice.